Hello everybody, welcome back. We're going to talk about another downspout gutter video today. I'm trying to deal with how we're going to stop the leaves from going down the downspouts and into my underground drainage system. So in a prior video you saw me install a couple different drainage systems, and the one that's right behind me here, where you can see we've got a little spot where we can catch. I'm gonna wait up for that car. A little spot where we can catch the leaves here, but it doesn't do the best job. I want to stop the leaves from even getting down into that downspout. And I have another system in the front where we talked about in a prior video. It's completely closed. Okay, and it runs down through the ground here, and just it's a pit right down there where we've got just some stones. So you can buy those gutter guards, and they don't always work the best, and sometimes they come off, and I've tried all those things over the years and nothing really works great. So I got one of these things, okay, and I'm going to link to this down in the description where you can buy these things. You're supposed to put these through the entire length of your gutter. What I'm going to do though is just put this right over the spot where the downspout is. It'll be pinned in there, held by the shingles and the tightness of the gutter, won't move, and it'll keep the leaves out of your downspout. It'll be in your gutter. It'll stack up against the end of this likely, but at least it's not going to go down your downspout. So again, I'm going to show you how to install this. I already have one on the front side of the house that's working well. You'll watch me install this on the back. All right, we've got a few leaves in here, but nothing crazy, and just a few down in here. And this tree is going to let go soon, so we want to get this thing in here as soon as possible. First thing I'll do is obviously clean this out, get everything out of here. Then this thing can go in. That's it. It's tight. It's not going to come out. How simple was that? Those things are fairly inexpensive. The box comes with about, I think, 6 of those, so 4 or 6 of those sections. You can put one over each of your downspouts, and then hopefully you won't be dealing with leaves clogging up wherever those downspouts go. So if you'd like I said, purchase it in the description down below. Thanks for watching, and if you thought this video was helpful, hit that like button and share it. Thanks very much, everybody.